Hello everyone, and welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm going to show you guys how you can sell on eBay with Shopify. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm going to show you. As you can see guys, I am right now in my Shopify dashboard, and this is how the homepage looks like. So right here in the left side of your screen, as you can see guys, you're going to find all of these sections. You're going to find the home section, orders, products. You're going to find customers, content, and analytics. And in the bottom, you're going to find marketing and discounts. You're going to find sales channels. And there's you're going to find online store and point of sale. And lastly, right here, you're going to find apps. So basically, guys, right now, in order to be able to sync your eBay with your Shopify, first of all, go ahead and click on Add Apps. And then you're going to be right here. Once here, just go to the bottom. And then you're going to find Get More Recommendations in the Shopify App Store. Go ahead and click on Shopify App Store. And then you're going to be redirected to this tab right here. So once you're here, just go to the search bar here in the top. And then search for eBay. Search for it. And then go ahead and hit Enter. Once you do that, you're going to be right here in this page. So basically, guys, once you are right here, you're going to find all of these applications that will help you to integrate eBay with Shopify. So just choose any app that you like. They all work the same. So I'm going to choose this one, eBay Sync by Lions Apps. So just click on the application and then you're going to be right here in the applications page. Once here in the app page, just click on install. And then once you do that, just click on install again. And then just wait for the page to load. And then once the page has loaded, you're going to be right here. So basically, guys, right now, in order to be able to work with this app, you need to choose a subscription, or you can also get the free trial. And then once you subscribe to this application, you're going to be able to sync eBay with your Shopify store. So this is it, guys, for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video.